As we know, it is easiest to attack on the disease when they are in the early stage. If they come to a late stage, it is very difficult to attack the disease. And a lot of physical problems such as diabetes, coronary heart disease could be detected at early detection in the annual examination by checking on the blood sugar and on the lipid, cholesterol, like that. And also in the area of cancer disease, it would be much easier to treat them when they are at the early stage. But if we detect them at a later stage, when the cancer cell has spread to almost all organ systems, it would be very, very difficult to treat them. For the blood sugar and the cholesterol, we call them the lipid panel and the metabolic panel, should be done every year for almost everybody, whether they are middle-aged or elderly. And for those checking on the colon system, they may be done every 5 years or 10 years. For the other, like the eye examination, ear examination, they may be done as it is necessary by the advice of the family physicians. For the colonoscope, which is doing on the whole colon, it is recommended to be done every 10 years. But for the rectal colon, it may be done every 5 years. For the woman's examination, called the gynecological examination, it is now recommended for even younger females since the age of sexual activity. They should have frequent examination by the gynecologist. And for the middle-aged and the elderly female should be continued, because the possibility of cancer in the uterine system, in the female system, actually nowadays we know that they may occur at any age, even after menopause. Maintaining a good mood, as we know, has been important to the body system, like the digestive system and other mental system. But nowadays we know that maintaining a good mood is also helpful to the immune system in terms of prevention cancer change in the cell, that is the development of cancer or the spread of cancer. So it is being said many years ago by the wise King Solomon that a cheerful heart is good medicine, and a weary spirit causes the bone to be dried. And we know also that the immune system has one of the important area is in the bone marrow. So maintaining a cheerful heart is really important to the immune system and to the body health as a whole. For seniors to maintain their health, it is important, besides regular checkup with the family physician, it is important that they may join community activity so that they will not be left alone at home most of the time. And we know that when they join the community activity, their mood would be elevated by sharing their life, their thought with other fellow seniors. So it is even in Genesis that God says that it is not good for men to be alone. That means it's not good for people to live by themselves, but by living together in a group, they support each other, and that would help their mood to be better, and then their health would be better.